Before Ford had the Mustang dominating every boulevard, before Chevy's Camaro answered the call, Dodge stepped into the ring in 1970 and unleashed something bold, wide, aggressive, and unforgettable. This is the first year 1970 Dodge Challenger Convertible. And what you're looking at right now isn't just a classic, it's one of roughly 4,300 convertibles ever built in its debut year. A rare open-top expression of pure American muscle, finished in an eye-catching blue that radiates confidence from every angle. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love real-deal muscle cars with heritage, attitude, and collector-grade presence, you're in the right place. And today we're diving deep into a machine that represents the golden era of Detroit performance, a 1970 Dodge Challenger Convertible powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 paired to a 4-speed manual, crowned with a shaker hood and priced at $84,995. Take a moment and just look at it. The stance is wide, the body lines are muscular yet refined, the long hood stretches forward like it's ready to devour pavement. And because this is the first year of Challenger production, everything about it feels historic. Dodge came out swinging in 1970, and they didn't hold back. Under that iconic shaker hood sits a 383 cubic inch V8, a big block powerhouse that defined street performance in its day. But this isn't just an old engine surviving on nostalgia. This 383 has been rebuilt along with the transmission, meaning you're getting the soul of 1970 with the mechanical confidence of a fresh drivetrain. Sitting on top is an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, a performance upgrade known for sharper throttle response, smoother fuel delivery, and stronger mid-range pull. And here's where it gets personal. That power runs through a 4-speed manual transmission. No paddles, no automatic convenience. That's just you, the clutch, and a Hurst pistol grip shifter, one of the most iconic shift handles ever bolted into a muscle car. The feel of that pistol grip in your hand, rowing through gears while the 383 roars through dual exhaust, that's not just driving, that's commanding a machine. Now let's talk about the shaker hood, because it's not just for show, it's functional. It's aggressive, and when the engine revs, that scoop physically moves with it. It literally shakes with the heartbeat of the V8. That visual drama is something modern cars try to replicate with fake vents and plastic add-ons, but this is authentic. Raw, mechanical theater, finished in blue, this Challenger radiates classic Mopar energy. The color amplifies the body lines and chrome trim, while the factory-style 15-inch wheels wrapped in copper Cobra tires complete the period correct stance. It sits exactly how a muscle car should, low, planted, ready. Open the door and you're welcomed into a period correct interior rated at an impressive 8 out of 10 quality. That means it's clean, presentable, and faithful to its era. The blue painted steering wheel adds a bold vintage touch that perfectly matches the exterior. Slide into the driver's seat and you're transported back to a time when cars were mechanical instruments, not rolling computers. This Challenger features manual steering and manual drum brakes, and for some buyers, that's not a drawback. That's authenticity. This is how muscle cars were meant to feel. The steering gives real feedback, the brakes require intention, it's engaging, it's analog, it's honest, but it's not stripped down. Egio red, you still get a power convertible top, meaning with the push of a button, the sky becomes your ceiling. Drop that top on a summer evening, let the 383 rumble echo off nearby buildings, and you're not just driving, you're making an entrance. And yes, it includes defrost and heat, so it's not just a fair weather cruiser. This is a car you can enjoy beyond just sunny days. Let's talk rarity for a second. Only around 4,300 Challenger convertibles were built in 1970. That's a small number when you consider total muscle car production of the era. And because this was the very first year, it carries additional collector significance. First-year models always hold a special place in automotive history. They mark the beginning of a legacy. The Challenger would go on to become one of Dodge's most legendary nameplates, but this is where it started. Now let's address the price. $84,995. In today's classic car market, for a first-year 1970 Challenger Convertible with a rebuilt drivetrain, 4-speed manual, shaker hood, and strong presentation, that's positioned competitively, especially when you consider how values on Mopar e-body convertibles have performed over the years. This isn't just buying a car, it's acquiring a piece of American performance heritage. Imagine pulling into a cars and coffee event. The hood is up, the shaker scoop subtly vibrating, the sun reflecting off that blue paint, people walking over, asking questions, snapping photos, kids hearing a real carbureted V8 for the first time. That's the experience this car delivers. It's not just metal and rubber, it's nostalgia, it's sound, it's movement, and unlike over-restored trailer queens that feel too fragile to drive, this Challenger with its rebuilt engine and transmission invites you to actually use it, to drive it, to shift it, to hear it. That's what makes it special. This isn't a Hemi six-figure auction car locked away in a climate-controlled bubble. This is a real-deal, blue-collar, big-block convertible that gives you the full muscle car experience without crossing into unobtainable territory. And let's be honest, there's something about a blue 1970 Challenger Convertible with a pistol grip 4-speed that just feels right. It's rebellious, it's confident, it's unmistakably American. Rarity, first-year status, V8 power, manual transmission, open-top freedom, and authentic muscle presence, this Challenger delivers. Because in 1970, Dodge didn't just build a competitor, and more than 5 decades later, that statement still roars. If you love classic Mopar muscle, drop a comment below and tell me, would you keep it exactly as it sits, or would you add subtle upgrades? And if you're not already subscribed, hit that button for more ultra-luxury cinematic features just like this. This 1970 Dodge Challenger Convertible isn't just a car, it's the beginning of a legend, and legends never fade.